Rev up your engines. Welcome to the best fix of the week. Every Thursday, 4 contestants will show off their 30-second car fix and compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for use at the Scotty store. The winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. But sadly, cats are not allowed to vote. And here's this week's contestants.
This is the ignition coil. So if you take out the pink wire, which you can keep the vehicle from running if you interrupt that with the switch, I'm going to run my wires over to this push button switch that I have. Now watch what it does. I don't know if you could hear that, but it's attempting to start, but it can't. See? Now I push or pull the switch, and perfect.
So what are we doing today?
We're fixing the tailgate latch.
Tailgate latch, alright, let's go check it out. This handle, made of plastic. So these 2 bolts, we need to take these 2 bolts out, right here and here. That's the piece that broke. There. Okay. There we go. So put it on there, and then start tightening. Test it out. Boom.
What would Scotty do? So it wasn't the horn relay or the fuse. It looks like the clock spring is going, and I don't feel like taking the airbag out right now, so it's time for a temporary bypass. Living in Miami, having a horn is critical. So thanks, Scotty. To everyone else, keep on honking that horn. Only when you have to.
Well, that was this week's contestants. And for your chance to show off your own car fix here and compete to win, email me, and I'll pick the best ones to show in next week's contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.